Welcome to Hands-On Equations, Lesson 11. If you'll remember, in Lesson 10, we learned that a set of opposites, a positive and a negative, could be removed together and affect the balance not at all. In fact, we remember that this is still a balance even though there is something here, because what is here is 0. Let's see what's new in Lesson 11. 3x's equals 2 stars plus 15. Let's start with 2x equals star plus 6. We just reviewed our rules about removing zeros, and we don't have a 0 that's on the same side. And we remember our rule about removing the same thing from both sides. But I don't have red on both sides, nor do I have white on both sides, and nor do I have blue. So it's time for a new legal move. Our new legal move that we're learning is that you can add a 0 where you need it. So I am going to take a blue and a white pawn and add it to this side of the equation. Because it's 0, it has to stay on the same side. I have not changed the value of the equation. I just simply added a 0. But because I have added a 0, I am now able to remove a white pawn from both sides. And now I'm left with an equation that I've seen before. 3 pawns equals 6. The only thing that I can do is separate them into 3 groups. So x equals 2. And if x equals 2, then star equals negative 2. And now it's time to check our work. Rebuild it. 2, 4, and 6 plus negative 2 is 4. So our check 4 equals 4 proves it is correct. Practicing our new legal move, which is I can add a 0 to either side of the balance scale. In order to be able to do anything with this, I'm going to have to add 2 convenient zeros. Putting a 0 here and putting a 0 here has not changed the value of my equation and is the only thing that I can do to just one side, because adding 0 keeps that side the same. But now I can do the same thing to both sides, which is remove whites. And now we are left with 5x equals 15. Divide this into 5 groups. Each group is worth 3. So x equals 3. If x equals 3, then star equals negative 3. And now it's time to check. 3x, 2 pawns, 15, 3, 6, 9, negative 3, negative 6, plus 15 is 9. 9 equals 9. Check.